When you're in CloudTruth, you may want to know what exactly CloudTruth has access to and what it can see inside of your integrations. So, right under Organization, if I go to Integrations, I can click on this option called Explore. Now, what Explorer does is it not only tells you what CloudTruth has access to, but it tells you what exists. So, for example, let's say I went to test.org 92. Click on Terraform Test, Development, EKS Cluster, and then you see how I have a main.tf here. Not only can CloudTruth show you, hey, this is what we have access to from a Git standpoint, if I click on it, you can actually see the code here, which is awesome. So it's like a validator almost for two things. Number one, ensuring that CloudTruth has access to it, and then number two, ensuring that it's the right file that you want CloudTruth to have access to. If I click on the top button here, let's take a look at another example. So this is for AWS, and all AWS roles could have different permissions. So for example, maybe you got one role that has access to EC2, maybe you had another role that has access to S3, maybe you have a third role that has access to all of them. So to confirm what CloudTruth can actually see with the IAM role that you set up, you can use the Integration Explorer. And let's say we go to US East 1. And we have our three options here. So S3, Secrets Manager, and SSM. If I click on S3, you can see here that I have all these buckets available. And then if I click on maybe one of the buckets, we can see the data that's inside of the bucket. So what's really cool about this integration is the simple fact that you can actually see what's happening inside of the location, inside of the file. That way you can have a little bit of an extra confirmation.